Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying your iPhone and iOS so features match what you'll see. This avoids surprises. Once checked, back up any custom lock screen widgets or note current home setup. Now go straight to the lock screen by pressing and holding it or open Settings Wallpaper. Make sure Do Not Disturb or Focus won't hide changes. Begin by selecting Customize or Add New to enter the editor. This is where you pick images, depth effects, or live photos to apply. Now choose the wallpaper source: Photos, Dynamic, Live, or Apple's curated collections. Tap an image and use pinch to zoom to crop and drag to frame the subject. This prevents faces from being cropped awkwardly. Toggle perspective zoom or depth effects to let the background shift slightly as you move the phone. Disable if it clips important detail. If you want different home and lock looks, select Set, then choose Set Lock Screen, Set Home Screen, or set both so each screen reads correctly with icons and widgets. Finish by tapping Done or Set and confirm whether you're applying the image to lock screen, home screen, or both. That saves instantly. Make sure widgets and clock remain legible, adjust contrast, or choose a darker overlay if needed. If live photos or perspective effects don't animate, check Accessibility Motion and toggle Reduce Motion, then reapply the image. If options still don't appear, restart the iPhone and check for an iOS update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.